Hello, my sweet people. Rochelle here. Thank you for tuning in. On today's video, we will be making thick and chewy bakery style chocolate chip cookies. All right, so in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add packed brown sugar, granulated sugar to my butter and blend. Now my butter is slightly melted. It's been sitting at room temperature for a bit. We're not going to use completely melted butter because it will change the texture and also the thickness of your cookies, okay? Okay, so here I'm adding my egg and I'm going to go ahead and blend it up really well. As you can see, the texture will change after blending it for a bit. It looks nice and creamy at this point. Make sure that you take your time blending it so that way it can become this texture. Then next we're going to add our dry ingredients, which is the flour, a pinch or a couple shakes of your organic ground cinnamon. It really does bring out the flavor of your chocolate chip cookies. And then of course I'm adding my baking soda and my salt. Okay, so here I'm adding vanilla extract. Make sure that you use pure vanilla extract. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that. Do not use the imitation vanilla because you want that strong vanilla flavor. Okay, y'all, this is the final step to our cookie dough, and I'm adding in my large 60% dark chocolate. I picked these up specifically because I'm going to put milk chocolate in my cookies, of course, and there is nothing perfect than biting into a chocolate chip cookie that has dark chocolate, chips or chunks with that milk chocolate. It is like the perfect sweet and bitter combination. And it's completely optional. Honestly, you can just put regular milk chocolate chips and then add in, I don't know, pecans or walnuts, just whatever you like. And this is the size of my large dark chocolate chips here and the size of my regular milk chocolate chips, so you can see the difference. It really is a perfect combination. Okay, so after you get that well and combined, I'm going to cover my bowl with plastic wrap, or you can put it in a freezer or a fridge Ziploc bag. It's important to chill your cookie dough though. Okay, so chilling your cookie dough overnight is best. However, if you just can't wait, at least pop it in your fridge for 2 to 4 hours. So here I'm going to have my lined baking sheet. I ran out of parchment paper, so just use aluminum foil, or don't use anything at all, that's fine. And this is the size that you would usually make if you want those extra large cafe bakery style cookies that you would get with a side of coffee or some hot tea. But I'm going to make mine medium size, so I'm going to put just enough on my cookie sheet to where it will spread without touching. You can even make them small, but remember I made these bakery style, so they will be thick, so don't make them too small because they'll just be little thick cookies. There's nothing wrong with that anyways, but okay, so I have them spread out. I'm going to bake them at 350. Baking time will vary depending on the size of your cookies. These I baked about 15 to 20 minutes, I believe. Okay, y'all, this is the final product. They are fresh out of the oven. They spread perfectly, the right golden color on top. Look at this, look at this. So good. Those dark chocolate chips really do make a difference though, because they're really big, so you get a lot of chocolate bite to it. So good. Y'all don't get me, but I love soy milk with my cookies. So good. Thank you all for watching. The ingredients will be in the description box, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.